Now, speaking of change of status and the headaches that exist, there's a thing where you first comes on a student visa. This is number three. Comes on a student visa, and then I'm sorry, comes on a tourist visa and decides to change status to a student visa. And the delays are incredible in these kind of cases because the F1 is just going to be pending. The change has been pending forever, probably over a year, many times before it's approved or whatever happens. And so in the meantime, the school has to keep pushing back your I-20. The I-20, which is the base of F1, keeps having to be. There's a terminology used for it. I forgot what it's called, but they keep extending the I-20. Now, a colleague posted, there's actually a regular writer for the Immigration Lawyers magazine, that he was doing it for a client, and the client extended the I-20 once, extended the I-20 twice, and they went to the school, extended a third time while the F1's pending, and the school said, "Oh, we have an internal rule that says we only extend it twice," which is crazy. This is ridiculous. Like, why would you do something like that? But that's possible now. And he said USCI sent an RFE, and the RFE said they want to see the same I-20 renewed, not like a new I-20 being issued. And so I'm not sure what he's going to do with that. What a nightmare scenario. I hate to tell that to the client. But who would expect the school would be doing that? I mean, it's just extend it. What difference does it make to you? You're going to get the money. So just be prepared, I guess, if you're doing these scenarios, which for 10 years I avoided this. I just did this for the first time for a client. We had to do it. It's still pending. It's been like 6 months now. This case pending, where we did a B1, B2 change of status. Actually, this one was like a H1B, H4 change of status. But because it was H1B, H4, I was a little more happy to do it. But typically, I wouldn't do this. But I've gotten into it. It took me so much study to figure out how to do this. Like, I got to do a course on just the intricacies of how this all works out. But be prepared for that. So I asked her to ask her school. They said no, we're down and just keep renewing. But if you're going to do a B1 2 extension, talk with your clients to ask the school and say, not only will you issue the I-20, but will you indefinitely keep renewing it until the F1's approved? You don't want to be blindsided with some nonsense like this. So just give me a heads up on that.